In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Your PC supports your DualSense controller, and you can connect them natively, so you don't need to use any sort of adapter or download additional tools. All that you have to do is choose one out of two connection types. You can either do this with a wired connection, which uses a USB cable, or wirelessly. So choose whichever option you prefer. First, I'm going to show the wireless option because I believe it is what most people will choose. This one will have to be done over Bluetooth, so your PC needs to be capable of receiving a Bluetooth signal. You can choose to purchase a Bluetooth adapter, or some PCs will have it included with their motherboard and so on. Basically, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and now press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. This will enable Bluetooth pairing mode. Usually you will see some sort of LED indicator flash like on this bar, and once you see that the lights are flashing and that the DualSense is in pairing mode, you can go over to the option to add a new device on the Bluetooth settings. Now the controller should appear on the list, and then all that you have to do is choose the DualSense controller from the list of available devices. It's as simple as putting it into pairing mode first and then choosing it from here on the plus sign. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now, if you don't like this method because of possible latency or because you don't have Bluetooth options on your PC, the next way to do it is going to be through a wired connection. So for this, you will use a USB cable. The USB port on the PlayStation 5 controller is USB-C, and you can either use a USB-C to USB-C cable if your PC has a USB-C port, like this one, or a standard USB-A, which is a most common connection type, like this. Just plug one end of the cable into the back of the controller, and then the other one goes into your PC. There's no secret here. As long as the connection was established by putting one end of the cable into the DualSense and another one into your PC, you will be good to go. And you don't need to charge up the controller. Because this is a wired method, it doesn't need to be charged, while the other one with Bluetooth will need to charge the controller first and make sure that it has sufficient battery while being used. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.